I wanted to share with you a quick video on how to create a lesson in FLIPGRID. I absolutely love FLIPGRID and I use this in my 4th grade virtual classroom. We do this especially with our science lessons. So if you're an educator, it is absolutely free, and I wanted to share with you the different features of FLIPGRID. So when you're in the discussion, this is where you will create your different topics and your lessons for your students to be able to respond. When you click on Discovery, this is where other teachers have created their own topics and you can actually use them as well. Your activity will show the total views and also the responses and topics created. What I love about the FLIPGRID is also that they have mixed tapes and you can create categories of different subjects or anything that you would like. So for example, I'm also an instructional coach, so this is something that I can now add different videos for my teachers. We also have the feature of shorts, so you can create a video and capture your lesson and you can share that up to 10 minutes. So now I want to show you step by step how to create a lesson. So let's take, for example, we have 7th graders who are due on Maple Street. And then you can add a question or you can create a link that will add to the discussion as well if you wanted them to go to another website. So for this purpose, we're going to just write respond. And the question is, and then this is great where you can add your own media. You can record a video, you can use Kahoot, anything that you wanted to add to it, you can add to the FLIPGRID. So I'm going to add an image, and we want to ask our students what turns a crowd into a mob. And so they will not just be listing, now they're going to be able to actually discuss their responses on FLIPGRID. Now once you have added your media, you can either make it private or public. Either way, you want to make sure that your topic is moderated, so when the comments are coming in, that's something that you can look at before you allow it to be on the FLIPGRID. Now you'll press create topic. And so then this is going to be the code that they need to use. And how you would do that, the code is going to be right here. So when they go to flipgrid.com, they'll enter the code and it will take them straight to that topic. And then what's going to be great is they'll be able to then respond. They will record their response, and that is how you create a lesson in FLIPGRID.